we're gonna. There's a cop pull up. Hey, what's up everybody? Welcome back to the channel. If you are subscribed, then thank you. If you're not, then please subscribe. Alright, today is very simple. I'm going to be doing two projects. I wouldn't call them projects, it's just basic maintenance. I'm going to be changing out the training fluid and the differential fluid. If you guys saw in that beginning clip, then that's what I'm using. The training fluid can be bought from Nissan itself, it's 20 per bottle. And then the differential fluid can be bought from AutoZone, and that's about 11 per bottle. So about $100, not too bad. Alright, so we're gonna get right onto that. It's gonna be split into two videos, and one is gonna be followed by the other. I'm not sure which one is gonna come first. And then after that, I'm gonna be changing my shifter. It's gonna be a short throw shifter now, so stay tuned for that video. So what you wanna do first is what I'm doing right now, which is driving. The reason why you wanna drive first is because you wanna get your fluid warmed up, so that way it flows easier when you drain it out. So stay tuned for that. It's gonna be an easy project. Let's go. Okay, let's get this first gear pull. Traction control off, windows up, power is off, AC is off. Let's go. Fucking shit. I can't shift, dude. I'm tired of this shit. That's why I need my short throw shifter. Coming in real soon, less than a week. Stay tuned. Don't laugh at me for that second or third gear miss. Let's see you guys. Okay, what's up everybody? So as you guys saw, I can't drive for shit. If you think I can't drive, then come in and ride along and you'll see if I can drive or not. But anyways, that's one of the reasons why you should be switching out your training fluid, is if you be fucking up like me, or if you go around doing donuts and sending your car sideways, because that's gonna mess up your differential. So yeah, change your fluids, okay? Those are key to maintaining a long life car. I think that's how you're supposed to say it, but whatever. Let's get this started right now. It's time. Peace. Damn, look at this. We got a little car meet. This EK gets mad action, and what I mean by that, what I mean is that people always want to race it because it's an EK, bro. But nobody messes with this one though. People are scared of this one. I mess with it, but I can't beat it. This one's sick too. We wrapped this, and me, when I say we, I mean my team. Let's go. All right, check it. Once she's face down and ass up, then you need to make sure that everything is safe. Keep the jack stands under there. I kept the jack right here just for extra safety. I think the only tool you need is a little wrench with a 10mm hex bit socket. So let's get it under the car and get started on this. One tip, one advice, I think it would be a lot easier if the car was completely flat. As you can tell, it's face down and ass up. So the only thing that sucks about this, it might not drain completely, but it should drain at least 90% of it. So let's get down and get started. Don't forget your little drain bucket, or whatever you want to call this shit. I'm about to clean this up first because it's kind of dirty. Let's go. Okay, check it out. So the first one you want to undo is the fill plug, which is up here. The reason why you want to do that one first is because you want to make sure you can loosen it up, because you don't want to drain it with the drain plug, which is that one, and then next thing you know, you find out that you can't unscrew that. Because if that happens, then what will happen next is that you won't be able to fill up your differential, which is this whole thing right here. I think it's leaking. I'll clean that later. But anyways, figure that one out first and then figure this one out. You will also need an extension, just a long piece right here, to get up here, just like that. Let's get that started. Ooh wee. Let it drain, let it drain. See how dark that is? That is not good at all. Super nasty. I'll show you what it should look like after. Okay, you guys see this? This is the drain plug and that's the filler plug. This is why you want to clean it, because of all this gunk right here. Let me show you. I'll try to get better lighting. All that gunk is metal shaving. And how does that happen? Well, that shit happens when the differentials are grinding together. I can't show you because I didn't open up the differential, but the same thing happens in your pistons and all that shit too, I think. But whenever metal grinds together, there's gonna be shaving. That's why the engine needs to break in first when you have a brand new car. So I'm about to clean this shit up and plug it in. So for the drainer plug, there's a O-ring right here. Not an O-ring, a washer. You should replace it, but this one looks clean. So I'm just gonna clean it up and we're good. You see all that gunk, all that flake right here? That's all the metal shavings. The reason why they accumulate on the drain plug is because this piece is magnetic. Check it out. See? This one is not. That's why it's not accumulating. Oh, I think it is. Oh no, never mind. But it's not. Clean it up a little bit. I'm gonna make it a little bit cleaner, and then we'll go from there. Okay, check it out. So once this is done draining, just wipe it off so it's clean, and then plug in the drainer plug first, and then leave that one open, because you don't want to plug that in, because you plug that in first and you can't fill it up. But of course you can always take it off, but just do the drainer plug first. Let's clean this up and put it back on. All right, this is the gear fluid. It's the same thing as differential fluid. I'm gonna open this and then I'm gonna plug it up here after I unscrew that, and then I'm gonna show you guys how to pump it. It's pretty easy. It's just a simple ass pump. So let's get that started. Voila, that's what it should look like when you're done. It's pretty simple. Now you just put it up here into the little filler hole all the way up there and just pump it. Keep pumping it until it starts dripping out, and have a towel on standby in case you need to wipe it. But the way you know it's full is because it'll start dripping out like I just said. Let's go. It might be kind of hard for me to record and do this at the same time, so I'll show you a couple pumps, but I'm not going to show you the whole process. Just gotta pump it. See the fluid going up. Yep, just go. Just go, go, go. Pump that sucker, baby. Yeah, just like that. I'll show you when it's done. Okay, this first bottle is just about empty, so let's go to the next bottle now. You will need 2 bottles, hopefully not 3, because I only bought 2, but I'll find out and I'll let you know. Peace. Okay, there it is. Fuck, finally, almost a bottle and a third. 1 bottle and 3/4 of it. It's finally dripping, so now it drips like that, then that means it's full. Just clean it and plug it up and you're good. All right, check it. So this is all the dirty differential fluid. Now this is probably the most important part besides changing your fluid, is that you gotta recycle this shit, okay? Or dispose of it properly. Just pour all that dirty shit back into the bottles. So like I said, this one's completely empty, probably can't see it, but this one has about that much left, and I need this bottle for the old one, so I'm just gonna pour it in there. I don't care, it's only this much left. I'm not gonna be using this until like another 40,000 miles, so when the time comes I'll just buy it again. So pour those in here, take it to AutoZone, take it to your local parts store so they can dispose of it properly. Do not forget to do this, okay? This is the most important thing. So once you finish doing this shit, then you're done. And now we're gonna get started on the transmission fluid, and that's gonna be a separate video. Stay tuned for that one. Peace.